Hey friends, we're back with more Valentine's craftiness. So if you missed my other video, I will link it below, just some recycled materials for Valentine's Day, and it was very inexpensive, very fun. So I will link that one below, and also I have like an old YouTube video with the banner, like how to make a book banner, so I'll link that one too. But anyway, so we're making another Valentine's craft today. And this one, you know, I love branches and picks. If you watch my channel, I like to make things realistic looking. But what I realized this year was I don't want to buy a bunch of like extra stuff that, if you think about it, it's for like a couple weeks or less. Really, Valentine's like less. And then what are you gonna do with all the things, right? All like, and some of it doesn't look very, I don't know, like I don't like the cheap looking stuff, you know? So I still think you can find excellent things that are cheap, but you can make them a little more, you know, customized. You know, it's not about the price tag, it's about the overall look. So these are little ornaments. They're little, you see these, they have red and pink and light wood, and they're really cute. You get 24 of them for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So I wanted to take some yarn and add them on the little twigs as actual ornaments. And of course I got to get out my hot glue to do that, right? But I thought it would be fun if we could just do them together. And if you find some other ideas, comment below. I thought also maybe possibly little mini envelopes, and then this be like the little seal, and then you can make a banner. I don't know. Again, I'm that like brainstormer, crafting person that tries to think of a million ideas all at once. So anyway, let's get to crafting. Okay, so I got all my supplies. I grabbed my blue scissors, and I really wanted to grab the white scissors, but these are fine. They're not quite as pretty, but we'll just go with it. So I have yarn. You can really use any yarn. I'm feeling kind of the red, although you could use twine or whatever, but just pops of red. What do they call it? Red theory, where you add pops of red in your design. So, okay, so let's just go with a regular little wood one. My hot glue's heating up. Okay, so while that is heating up, oh my, this is all tangled. I'm not a really good like yarn storage person. I just have mine all thrown in a little bin. Comment below if you have good storage solutions. Okay, so we just want to figure out how big of a loop you want it. Okay, so here we go. I have my branches, and I'm just gonna tape this. I kind of like the long loop. I think that's kind of fun. Kind of like the long loop, I do. But maybe not that long. Okay. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball, take a loop. And again, I'm not a fussy person. I don't care if all my little yarn loops are exactly the same size. I know there are people that do. And so if you want to go ahead and pre-cut all your little yarn pieces exactly the same size, if that brings your heart joy, then do it. Okay, so I have my little loop, and we're just gonna see how this works as a little ornament. I do like them somewhat long. Okay, I'm gonna stop obsessing. Okay, so I have my hot glue here, and I'm just gonna put some hot glue directly on the back, which, you know, front, back, they're both the, they're exactly the same. So it doesn't really matter if there's not like a good front or a good back on it. They're the same on both sides. And then I'm just folding one side here, and don't burn your fingers. I probably should get like a pencil, end of a pencil or something to, you know, make sure I don't get burnies. But maybe the end of this, what I have here, the scissors. And then just hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, you know, is hot glue the best thing to use? I mean, it's gonna work for me, right? I know there's like all these other types of glue, but for me, hot glue, for an impatient crafter, it works. Okay, so there's my first one. If you want it, you are going to see like the back like that. So if that bothers you, I wonder if they have different sizes. No, it looks like the other ones are bigger. I was gonna say, you could, if you had some of the same size, do another one, like if you're super fussy. But again, I'm not fussy. And so I'm just gonna have this, and then we're gonna put it on one of the branches. Whoop. Like so. And I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of these, and we'll see what it looks like when we come back. Y'all, and that is it. We finished. I ended up doing 10 of these adorable little hearts, and you just loop them on the branch, just like so. And you could do all the same color. You could do variations, but I just think they are adorable. Remember, they came in a 24 pack. I got them at the Dollar Tree, $1.25, and I still have some left over, I guess 14 to be exact, that I can use for table scatters or in a little bowl or whatever. But I hope this gives you some really fun ideas as you craft your homemade crafts for Valentine's Day. Have a great day.